how to fix Bumble login failed after switching Wi-Fi or mobile data. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix if Bumble says that login failed. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If on the Bumble app you're getting the login fail issue after switching to Wi-Fi or mobile data, now first make sure either your Wi-Fi or mobile data is usually or generally just smooth. So you can also try to just go ahead and then make sure to just use one. If you're using Wi-Fi, stick to Wi-Fi. If you're using mobile data, stick to mobile data. Now after that, it could be the issue with the Bumble app. So we are going to long press on the Bumble app on any Android device. Then we can tap on the eye icon that you can find over here, and from the eye icon, if we scroll down, we can scroll down to the storage tab, and from the storage tab we can clear the cache files, and also we can clear the data. Once we clear the cache files and data of the Bumble app, we can go to our Play Store or our App Store, and then of course we can search for Bumble. You have to check if the Bumble app has an update, and if it does, then just make sure to update it to the latest version. Then hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.